In this video, we're talking about Twitter lead generation, and we're going to tell you exactly how to generate leads from Twitter without a budget.
And we're going to show you our Twitter strategy that works super fast to get you sales in a very short space of time.
Last year, Andrew left me all by myself in the office while he went on holiday, and he left me with one simple challenge. He said,
Pete, while I'm away, your challenge is to get 10 new members of Atomic.
So I accepted the challenge and got to it. So I was wondering about what would be the quickest way to get new members. I tried email, I tried convoluted retargeting Facebook ads, and I did something on Twitter too. I'll get to that in a second. But you know what worked best out of all those strategies to actually get new leads and sales?
What was it?
It was our Twitter strategy.
I know that already.
I know you did. I told him when he came back. He was really happy. And I absolutely smashed that 10 new members target.
He got 11.
I got more than that.
It was more than 11, it was.
But yeah, you were happy, weren't you?
I was.
Yeah. So it was me doing all the hard work around here.
I had so much fun on the holiday. I was chilled out.
Good.
So that's what we're going to show you, our super fast Twitter lead generation strategy. Because what's Pete's is mine.
Step number 1 is really, really obvious, but it's so important, and a lot of people don't do it, so I just have to say it anyway. And it's to create engaging content for your audience. So that means posting stuff on Twitter that your audience, your potential customers, are likely to engage with and get talking to you. The more helpful or inspiring or entertaining that you can be with your content, the more relationships and authority you can build. And the more people will be drawn to you and the more reach you will have, yada, yada, yada. Couldn't have waited.
Step 2, engage with your audience both reactively and proactively. You need to understand that lead generation is so much easier if people actually like you. To create an engaged audience on Twitter, you absolutely must reply to people, you must start conversations by asking questions, and you must reach out to people first rather than just sitting back waiting for people to comment on your tweets. Don't sit back. Sit up. Pete, gone on holiday again. Our top tip here is to use Twitter video replies because they stand out so much more. They create much more of an impact than just a standard text reply.
Step 3 is to identify people on Twitter that could be your potential customer and keep in touch. If you've put out there some promotional content and people are starting to take an interest, or if you're having a conversation with someone and you think they are perfect for your service or product, let's keep in touch with that person and build the rapport even more. Build the rapport even more.
Hey, that rhymes.
A cool way to keep in touch with these people is through an app called Close, which reminds you to actually keep in touch with people. And it's way better than Twitter lists. So definitely go check it out.
Step 4, move it off Twitter. This is where we get into the realm of lead magnets and landing pages and email funnels. But if you have absolutely smashed steps 1 to 3, then you can be really direct with this step 2.
It's time to get chatting to these people in private, whether that's in the DMs, whether it's a local meetup, whether it's even just on the phone. And that is where the magic is going to happen. And that's how I smashed Andrew's target. Boom.
Smashed.
And that's all I did. I just talked to people in the DMs and I talked to them on the phone and I got those sales. Now, I wasn't just talking to any old person in the DMs or on the phone, no. I was talking to people that were qualified and that I had built rapport with previously. All I did was send a personalized message to that exact person, whether it was publicly at mentioning them or in private on the DMs, and I just asked them, would you like to hop on the phone for a quick chat to see if Atomic is right for you? Simple, right?
And this is important because I think we sometimes forget that although we're using social media to market our businesses, that the sales don't always necessarily happen on social. Using social media allows us to give value, to grow our audience, and to get people to like and trust us. So when you are proactive and reach out and ask someone if they want to talk about what you do, the sale then becomes a lot easier.
Now we're going to give you one more final killer tip that almost nobody knows about. Whoa. But first, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, a share, a thumbs up. That would be absolutely awesome. And if you've liked this video so far and you've not even heard the final killer tip yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and get subscribed for more weekly videos.
Okay, that final tip. If you go to studio.twitter.com, you can get access to Twitter's Media Studio, where you can do some really cool stuff. One of which is being able to add a call to action button on all of your Twitter videos so you can drive that traffic wherever you want. Pretty cool, right?
That is insanely cool. That's it. We've been Andrew and Pete. If you want some more Andrew and Pete time, why not watch some of these videos and get yourself subscribed while you're there?
And we will see you next time. Bye!
Bye.